back for another video. My name is Josh Kasich, and today I'll be showing you a short film. It's a very interesting and weird short film, especially the beginning. It's a little weird, but I tell you, I worked hard on it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, it's kind of based on real life, so I'll be playing as me in the short film, and yeah. So that's basically why it'll lead into my intro again, because the beginning is kind of like a YouTube video on its own, and so that's why after this you will see the intro again. So don't be weirded out by that. There's a reason for that. And well, hope you guys enjoy, and let's begin. They're coming, guys. The cats, they're gonna take over. Get rid of your cats, throw them aside, get your water guns before it's too late. They're going to take over the world. They're almost on me. I am trying to film this, so you guys, as a warning for you. This will be the last time you see me. They're here!
Hello, I am speaking to you telepathically. You only know me as Josh's brother's cat, but I'm much more. I am the leader of cat kind. My name is Smokey, and it's time for us to rise. We will no longer be house pets to be commanded by humans. Now, humans will be the house pets. We started as a small group and took down Josh, your only hope. And now we will take over the world. Starting by taking the Josh Kasich Show, which we have done. Now, cats, rise! Destroy buildings, steal, tip over glasses, scratch furniture, cut your owners, and take over them. And now, as an army, we will head to the government. Their guns will do nothing. We have the technology to destroy them, and we will now be the rulers. Let's take over now.
Hello, I'm Tom, the Breaking News Network host, and here is the breaking news. Cats have just blown up the United States of America's government. They are now taken over the United States, and Smokey, the cat leader, is the emperor, the dictator. Now, we are all stuck. Now here is them blowing up the Congress, the White House, and the Supreme Courthouse. Alright, we are back. We also have a picture of a cat and a human slave. Show the picture. Now that you've seen the picture, it's time for the humans that are free. It's time to pick up your mask, get your water guns. It's time to rebel. We will not stand for being cats in charge. This is Tom signing off for the last time. We are here for the resistance, and it's time to destroy these missiles. For the resistance. We are here as the resistance to take down Smokey. And now it's time to attack for the resistance!
Code Red, this Smokey, your ruler. Somehow the human rebel group destroyed our weapons, our military. I don't know how we were in control. And now they're attacking this building. They're breaking in. They're about to defeat us. Come on, cats. Let's rise. We cannot let the humans take over us again. We cannot let that. Help me, please.
Too late, Smokey. Hello. I destroyed Smokey, the cat leader. The humans have taken back the United States of America. It is ours at last. We are rebuilding the Congress, the White House, the Supreme Courthouse, and now we have a president. Me. You're probably wondering who I am. You might think that I'm Tom, based on this mask from the breaking news. But really, I am the leader of the resistance, and we have taken back what is ours. But truly, who am I? Well, I'm all three.